Synthetic division of polynomial by trinomial. Example number 1, 3x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus x minus 2 divided by 3x squared plus x plus 1. So first, tingnan natin yung ating dividend kung nasa standard form ba. Nasa standard form 4, 3, kaya lang wala tayong square, and then 1, at saka yung ating constant. So, kukunin muna natin yung ating mga numerical coefficient. So, yan ay 3, then negative 1, at saka yung ating square ay 0, tapos yung 1, at saka yung negative 2. Okay? So, katulad pa rin ng una, pero dito, yan. At ang ating divisor, kung titingnan nyo, yung ating leading term ay greater than 1. So, kailangan maging equal to 1 ang ating leading term. So, gagawin lang natin 3x squared plus x plus 1 para maging 1 ang ating leading term. I-divide natin ito ng 3. So, we have x squared plus 1/3 x plus 1/3. Okay? So, ito, kukunin natin yung kanyang opposite. So, we have positive, magiging negative 1/3. Negative 1/3. Dito natin ilalagay. At saka yung ating constant, kunin pa rin natin yung kanyang opposite. So, positive 1/3 is magiging negative 1/3. Okay? Then, bring down 3. Ito naman, bring down negative 1. So, 3 times negative 1/3 is negative 1. 3 times negative 1/3, negative 1. Then, add, kasi pareho ang sign, so we have negative 2. 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1/3 is positive 2/3. And negative 2 times negative 1/3 is positive 2/3. Okay? Then, negative 1 plus 2/3. So, we have negative 1 plus 2/3. So, multiply. So, we have equals negative 3 plus 2 over 3. So, that is equals to negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1 over 3. So, we have negative 1/3. And 1 plus 2/3, 1 plus 2/3, so, ganun pa rin, multiply. So, you have 3 plus 2, then over 3. That is equals to 5 over 3. Then, 5 over 3. Then, negative 1/3 times negative 1/3 is positive 1 over 9. Then, negative 1/3 times negative 1/3 is positive 1 over 9. So, we have 5 over 3 plus 1 over 9. So, kukunin natin yung kanyang LCD. Ang LCD is 9. Then, multiply tayo dito ng 3 over 3. So, we have 15 over 9 plus 1 over 9. So, equals 16 over 9. So you have 16 over 9 and negative 2 plus 1 over 9 equals, multiply, then we have negative 18 plus 1 over 9 equals, negative 18 plus 1 is negative 17 over 9. So we have negative 17 over 9. Bring down natin, negative 17 over 9. So this is our remainder and we have this quotient. So ang quotient natin, dahil nag-divide tayo kanina ng 3, doon magdi-divide din tayo dito ng 3. So we have 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that is x. Dahil square yon, 4 minus 2 is square. Minus 2 over 3x. And negative 1/3 divided by 3 is negative 1 over 9. So our remainder is 16 over 9x minus 17 over 9. So this is the answer.